Welcome back my friends. From this lecture we are going to build our models. For that go to models here, click on new file and we are going to define cart model here, cart model.ts and not tsx. Make sure to spell it correctly. And now we need to import mongoose here. Import mongoose from mongoose. We need to have our object id which was equals to mongoose dot schema, which was coming from mongoose schema, and we need to define our cart schema here, which was equals to mongoose dot schema, and here we need to specify an object, and here onwards we are going to have products here, which was an array here. Okay, under this we are going to define our product, which was a type of object id reference, which was equals to product. Okay, after this product we are going to specify the name for this product. Okay, so under our cart schema we are going to define the product, which was an id for the product. Okay, we are going to specify the name. So under our cart we are going to have the products, which was having an array of objects of product id and the name here. If the vendor was existed, we are going to specify here, which was a type of object, and we are going to have our image here, which was type of string. We are going to have our size here, string, our quantity here, which was a string, color here, which was an object containing color as a string and image as a string, and finally we are going to have price, which was equals to a number here. On our cart we are going to have products, which was an array of objects containing product here, which was product id, product name. If the product was created by vendor, we are going to specify the vendor like this, and we are going to have image, size, quantity, color, price, like that. And after this object, after this array, we are going to define our cart total here, which was a type of number. Okay, and we are going to define total after discount here, which was a type of number. Make sure you're not going to have any typos. And finally we are going to have our user model here. So finally we are going to have user here. So as you can see, we are going to have this cart schema, which user has created this cart here. Timestamps tells us when the document was updated or created. So when it was created, it was going to specify us within a new key called as created it, and when the document was updated, it was going to give us the information via key called as updated it property. After that you are going to actually declare cart here, which was equals to mongoose.models.cart, otherwise mongoose.model cart schema. So what this line of code does means it will finds out the cart model here under our mongoose models. If the cart model doesn't exist, on that case it was going to create a new cart here with this cart schema. Okay, like that. So finally we are going to exporting this cart here, cart model here, which we have created in this cart model. So that's it guys, that's it for this lecture guys. See you on the next lecture. Thank you.